Hey guys, welcome to math class. It's Mrs. Ward, and today we're going to be learning a game called Build It, How Many Tens? And in order to play this game, you need to have some 10 frames that are completely full. You don't need partial 10 frames for this. And you need a deck of cards that look like this. I want you to tell me what you notice about these cards when you think you notice what they have in common. Just say it out loud. You may have said that you noticed that all of these cards have a 0 in the ones place, or they end with a 0. You may have said that you noticed that all of these cards are multiples of 10, numbers that we say when we're counting by 10. You'd be exactly right. Okay, so I want to look for the multiples of 10 on a 120 chart, or 120 chart. Have one right here. Let's just quickly highlight all the numbers that we think of when we think of the multiples of 10. You should have done this last week on your virtual 120 chart. 10, 20, I don't know if that's really loud in the video, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I'm going to cover up this one right here because we're going to be really focusing this week on what comes after 100. So I want you to think for a second. What's our next multiple of 10? 110. And then 120. Let's talk about the multiples of 10 on a number line. We have a number line right here, like the kind that we use in math class. And this number line is not counting by multiples of 10. It's counting by ones. So if we were going to draw out the multiples of 10 on a number line, we wouldn't get very far. 0 is actually a multiple of 10. Here's 10. The next multiple of 10 would be 20. And you see one more multiple of 10 on this number line? 30. So it doesn't get us very far. We can certainly count a lot higher than that when we're counting by multiples of 10. So something else that you might do if you're trying to use a number line as your model for counting multiples of 10 is you might draw an open number line. Number lines are easy to draw because whoop, whoop, they are just lines. So this time, instead of counting by ones, let's just make hops of 10. So if this was a hop of 10, that would land us on 20. If we make another hop of 10, that would land us on 30. Look, that's where our other number line ended, but we can keep going, can't we? We can make another hop of 10, and that would land us on 40. Another hop of 10 would land us on 50. And I think I only have room on this number line for one more hop of 10, which would land us on 60. But you see, you keep going and going to infinity and beyond. Okay, now let's get back to our game. Build it. How many tens? So I'm going to flip over our first card. And I want you to think about how many full 10 frame cards it would take in order to build this number. Shout it out when you know. Okay. Now let's build it. One full 10 frame card makes 10, 2 full 10 frame cards is the same thing as 20. Now we're going to go to our recording sheet. This is what the recording sheet looks like for this game. You'll find printable versions in your Google Slides this week. You will also find it in your Google Slides, or if you prefer, you can do the activity in Seesaw. It is your choice where you do it. So, going to our number is, let's go back and look at our game board. Our number is 20. How many tens did it take to build this number? This is 1 10. This is 2 tens. And now it wants us to write an equation. Well, that equation would be 10 plus 10 is the same thing as 20. So we're going to write that on the line. Okay, let's flip over, clean up our game board space, and flip over our next card. We'll move this over to the discard pile. And on your Google slide, the cards are stacked underneath each other. So you have to move one to see the next one. Okay. When you know the number, say it aloud. Made a big jump, didn't we? These cards are shuffled. Okay. How many full 10 frame cards would it take to build this number? All right, let's see if we can do this together. This is 10, 20, 30, 4 10 frame cards makes 40, 50, I'm going to run out of game space, aren't I? 60, 70, 80, 90. I've got one more little guy here. Move these. 100. So let's go to our sheet and record our answer. Our number is 100. How many tens or how many full 10 frame cards did it take to build this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our equation would be, oh my goodness, 10 plus 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 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I've got to squeeze them down here. Plus 10 plus 10 equals 100. I bet there are some people that can think of a multiplication sentence that would match that. All right, let's do one more together. Let's clean up our game space. Discard that card we've already used and draw one more card. What's our number? How many full 10 frame cards would it take to build this number? Let's check together to find out. 10, 20, 30, 40. Move these guys off our workspace for a moment. Okay. Let's go to our recording sheet. What was our number? How many full 10 frame cards did it take to build this number? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what would our equation be? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is the same thing as 40. This time I'm going to write it this way. 40 is the same thing as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy playing this game. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.